In this video, we'll guide you through a one-panel deployment. First, create a cluster on your preferred cloud provider. Then sync Kubernetes configuration to your machine to access the cluster. Next, install Onepanel and initialize a parameters file. Once done, open the parameters file. Follow the instructions in the file to populate. For more information, refer to the docs. Once you've populated the parameter file, run the apply command. This will deploy Onepanel into your Kubernetes cluster. Once done, note the provided DNS settings. Visit your DNS provider and create a DNS record based on the provided DNS settings. Next, get the access token for your application. You can either store the token or retrieve it again by running the same command. In this next part, we'll show you how to create a simple DAG template. Click Create Template and select DAG. This will pre-fill a sample template. Then save. On the Workflow Details page, click Execute Workflow. A modal will be displayed. Click Execute. The workflow will start executing. You can click on every task to see details and running logs. This is how to run a simple workflow. You can also run any workload in Onepanel on GPUs. To do this, add a GPU node pool or group to your cluster. Then, in your parameters file, set node information under node pool options. Once completed, apply the changes. To verify your changes, simply create new workspace and select node pool. If you're having issues with the deployment, you can reach us by joining our Slack community. You can find our Slack and documentation links in the description below. Thank you for watching.